Hey YouTube, so today we're going to be doing this IT interview skills test. So basically we're simulating an IT manager asking us questions, and then we'll be working on a machine they gave us access to answer the tests. I apologize if I sound frustrated or out of it because this is my fourth or fifth time recording this video. But anyways, let's get to it. So the first question would be, um, how would you find the DNS servers for this computer? So first we can do Windows R cmd, then type ipconfig /all, and as you can see we have two network adapters, and this is the DNS server here and here. Another way to find it, we make this full screen. Okay, so another way to find it would be to click network and internet settings, change adapter options. Let's choose the static one, properties. Just put in my Helpdesk account. So my home lab has a domain controller, a Helpdesk account that has admin privileges, and a regular user account. So it's kind of simulating a corporate environment. So let's continue. So then we go to IPv4, and this is our DNS. Okay, so the next question would be, let's see here, can you use the command line to show me what your user accounts are? Sorry, can you use the command line to show me what user accounts are configured to this computer? So back to CMD, you can say net user, and that'll show us the administrator, default, guest, and utility. But I wonder why Jess isn't here. That's interesting. Net use is for the shares that the Jess is connected to. Uh, but anyways, so those are the users. Next question is, can you disable the local administrator account? Yes, we can. We do that by, all depends on what access level of permission you have to the account, to the PC. So let's actually sign out and then sign in locally. Okay, then let's go to File Explorer, right click on PC, Manage. This is the computer management. Go to Local User and Groups. And then over here, say Administrator Account. And if you want to disable it, so just double click on it, click Disable. The reason why it's not disabled is because if I have problems signing in to the domain, I want to at least be able to sign back into the PC and rejoin the PC to the domain. And we know that an account is disabled by the little arrow pointing down. Okay, so the next question is, can this, let's see, so this computer was connecting to the internet earlier, but was moved from one place to another and is no longer connecting. Can you please troubleshoot? So what we would do is, we would start with the first layer, the physical layer of the OSI model. We would make sure that the Ethernet cable is connected and that the lights are flashing, which shows that internet traffic is going through. After that, we would check our internet icon to see if there's any internet. What we can also do is go to ipconfig. Now let's do /all, and we need to look at our IP addresses. Let's see. We need to look at IP addresses. We need to first make sure that DHCP is enabled, and then look at our IP address. Okay, so I just had to pause the video quickly just to make sure my real IP address isn't showing on the virtual machines. So anyway, so yes, the DHCP is enabled, and we have our IP address, and we always want our IP address to start with a 10 or a 172 or a 192. We don't want it to start at 169, because 169 tells us that there's an error with the DHCP. Maybe it was struggling to give us an IP when the computer was booting or something. But let's say we wanted a new IP from the DHCP server. We would say ipconfig /release. And as you can see over here, this is our network adapter connected to the internet, which had DHCP enabled. As you can see, everything is gone. And then we'd say ipconfig renew. Just wait for a bit. And then there we go. We have our credentials, IP creds. So yes, that's some ways we would some ways we would troubleshoot the computer not connecting to the internet. And yeah, let me just look at my notes. Yes, that is all the questions for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.